Traditional versus infrared saunas. Which one is right for your custom home? Long day, tight shoulders, you step into your sauna and everything slows down. But here's a question. Do you want the deep heat of traditional sauna or the gentle glow of infrared? Let's talk about which one fits your home, your body, and your lifestyle. In today's nonstop world, finding time to recharge can feel like a luxury. But what if your home helped you do that every single day? At AV Architects and Builders, we believe that wellness isn't a trend, it's a lifestyle. And designing homes that support your well-being is part of our mission. I'm Sofia Alonso with AV Architects and Builders, and in this video, we're breaking down the differences between traditional and infrared saunas so that you can decide which one belongs in your custom home spa. Let's get into it. Number 1. Traditional saunas. Heat that's tried and true. This is the classic sauna experience. Traditional saunas use heated stones to warm the air to temperatures between 150 and 195 degrees Fahrenheit. You can even pour water on the stones to add steam. It's full body heat, deep sweating, improved circulation, and a mental reset that feels timeless. Here's a pro tip. If you love ritual, tradition, and don't mind higher temps, this sauna is for you. Number 2. Infrared saunas. Gentle heat, deep benefits. Infrared saunas work differently. Instead of heating the air, they use light to warm your body directly. That means lower temps, usually 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, but still powerful results. Think muscle relief, reduced inflammation, and a more comfortable session, especially for those sensitive to intense heat. Pro tip, infrared is perfect for daily use, especially if you want something efficient, modern, and easy on energy. Number 3, key differences that matter. Still deciding? Here's how they stack up. Traditional saunas offer a hotter, more immersive experience. They're great for post-workout recovery and bring that spa-like feel to your home. Infrared saunas are more energy efficient, easier to install, and better for longer sessions at lower heat. It really comes down to comfort, space, and the kind of relaxation that you're after. Number 4, other options to consider. Thinking of beyond saunas, there are a few other wellness features that you might love. Steam rooms offer 100% humidity, great for your skin and your sinuses. Smoke saunas, a Finnish tradition, deliver a rustic, atmospheric experience. Not as common in residential homes, but if you're building a true spa retreat, they're worth exploring. Number 5, choosing the right sauna for your home. Ask yourself, how do you like to relax? Do you need intense heat and a post-gym detox? Or do you want calm, daily sessions that ease tension slowly? Either way, the goal is the same, a space that helps you slow down, breathe deeply, and feel better. At AV Architects and Builders, we design wellness spaces that fit seamlessly into your home, from saunas and cold plunges to steam rooms and more. Because how you feel in your home matters every single day. Adding a sauna to your home isn't just a luxury, it's a lifestyle choice. It's a space for healing, for quiet, and for balance. Whether you choose traditional or infrared, you're creating a daily ritual that supports your health and well-being. And we're here to help you design it right. Ready to start designing your custom spa bathroom? Schedule a discovery call with us today, and let's talk about building a home that prioritizes your wellness. Want more tips and ideas? Visit our Learning Center for expert articles on saunas, layouts, and more. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments, are you team traditional or team infrared? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.